Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds EDIFIER X5 Pro using application. You have to start by open EDIFIER Connex application, and of course you need to add these earbuds to the app. Now click the settings icon at the right top, and at the bottom we have factory settings. You need to click at this line. Then click at the slider near to it and confirm it. Now we need to reconnect these earbuds with your phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, you need to click pair new device at the top, and if you have iPhone, you can or turn on the Bluetooth or just go back and return here as I do. Now after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, and we can see this earbuds device list. You need to tap on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.